I look red. Well, I look red. Don't know. Okay, I'll be red today. Okay. Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine has gone fine. Just a little chit-chat, idle chatter. Got up early this morning, went with another one of my daughters to go look at some houses. She's in the market for her own home, and I love looking at houses. Anyway, we didn't see nothing we liked. So anyway, I spent the better part of the day looking on Amazon for a nail case, fingernail manicure supply case. I already had one from years ago. It's a big, giant plastic. It's big. It's like a duffel bag, and it's the heavy vinyl. You can see through it. And it served the purpose. But I want something to better protect my stuff. And I didn't want the fancy little cute regular nail technician products because they're not made as sturdy as other things. So I had ordered this. Very disappointed. This thing ain't gonna hold nothing. It ain't holding nothing, so it's going back to Amazon. There's a bottom that holds the nail polishes, but I wasn't interested in that. I'm mainly interested in protecting my nail lamp, you know, the UV nail lamp, my dust collector, and my drill, you know, drill and the drill bits. And then the nail polish palettes that I've been getting lately, and some of the other nail supplies. This ain't gonna do it. The nail lamp, this one here won't fit in here. This is the latest nail lamp that I have. I have the other kind with the rounded dome top. This is the one. It's portable. So I've been investing in portable stuff now. You charge it, and then you can carry it where you want to use it. So I got a portable drill thingamajig, charge it, and you can use it anywhere. And dust collector. I'm still waiting for the dust collector to come. Anyway, I found one. It's a soft toolbox bag for for tools. It has a hard plastic molded bottom. So when you put your stuff in there, everything won't be jumbled all up together. And it has pockets inside and out. That's what I like, all the pockets. You see, this thing ain't got no pockets nowhere. Look at this thing. Yeah, they're getting this back. So it'll hold big acetone bottles and cuticle oil bottles and whatever else. Brushes and whatever else I got to put in there. So it should be here Monday. And I'll show you what I had come today. This little book. You know, I'm into nail stickers. These are embossed stickers. So I want to store them properly. You can't see them. This is washed out. Maybe you can see the gold ones. Here are the gold ones. So this is a book full of stickers. And of course you can't see this because these are white stickers on white background. So I do have some colorful ones in here. They're tiny. Here's some black and silver. But I'm really into this because I like how these turned out. My first time doing the manicure. So I'll be taking this off in a couple days. This has chipped. I didn't know they could chip. I thought you had to soak and soak and soak them off. It's chipped. Well, look what I got to take these things off. Okay, I got these foils, and you just wet the cotton pad with acetone and then wrap the foil around your fingernail. First you have to scrape up the nail so the stuff can soak down to the fake nail. And what else I got? I guess that's it. Anyway, I got them things. These things you can put on your fingers if you just want to use a cotton ball and wet it with acetone and put it on your nail. That's where I used to take my gel polish off. With these things that clip on your nails. This came with something that I wanted, so that's why I got a new set, even though I had some of these already. Let me show you what I wanted. I wanted this bottle. You put your acetone in, put the cotton ball on top of it, and just press down. So I got it. And I'm going to label this acetone. Okay, so what else I got to show y'all? Let me show y'all these nail clippers. I think when I first did my nails and showed y'all, I said they were too long and I had to get used to them. I've gotten pretty much used to them, but I was still like a shorter nail than this. So I've been seeing the professionals use this thing. That'll cut these fake nails. So I guess I'll film myself taking the nails off. Like I said, I'll do that in a couple days. So I want to thank you for listening to this idle chatter, chit chat. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye.